Hi guys, this is Team Harm, a Think Beyond Exams intern team which aims to expand the world of AI with a little step of providing users a feature which shows the category of a YouTube video currently played. This is done using the Python programming language and various machine learning concepts to create a text classification and image classification model which classifies a YouTube video as educational and categorizes it under category and subcategory as per the categories list of Beyond Exams website. To create such models, we first require a problem statement. So, what can be the problem statement here? The basic problem statement is that we are given a YouTube video. We just need to determine if it is an educational or a non-educational video. If it is an educational video, then we can determine which category and subcategory of Beyond Exams it belongs to. Following are some things that we have achieved over this project. We enhanced our skills in machine learning. We enhanced our skills in Python and functional programming language concepts. We have studied and researched various machine learning concepts. We strengthened our skills in pushing and retrieving the data using API. We explored and tested different text classification models to get the desired results. We practiced and learned many artificial intelligence tools to exercise our image classification model. We gained the skill of showcasing any data science project using Streamlit and Python. We practiced and gained a basic to intermediate knowledge in several machine learning frameworks like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Python, etc. We have learned to collaborate digitally on any piece of technical work. We enhanced our skills in explaining something to a general audience. We have learned to cooperate and collaborate on group projects. We have strengthened our user interface and user experience design skills. We have gained knowledge of sharing and utilizing brilliant minds of the team members to increase the productivity and efficiency of completing the tasks before deadline.